And we are back. Yeah, okay. Sorry, that previous stream just broke because okay, we don't need any more of that. Yeah, that previous stream just broke because my operator changing internet speed tonight, and it is past midnight, and they are doing that right now. So sorry, I missed quite a few questions in the original stream, so those are lost. But we can stay for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes and chat a little bit. On iPad, if you open stream in Twitch, in Safari and YouTube app at the same time, YouTube pauses automatically. Interesting. YouTube application acts weird, in my opinion, on any device, on iOS devices. All that picture-on-picture was disabled for a while. Currently they are enabling that for premium users and so on, so I don't know. iPad Pro 10.5. I don't think that hardware version change a lot there. So let me check if I have stream history, chat history in my streaming application, and seems that I have. Okay, there were questions, few of them. Okay, I see those now. Oh, hi. Okay, there wasn't so much. I worried a bit that we lost a lot of questions. Guys asked something I didn't answer. That would not be nice, but that is not so horrible. Okay, let me fix my stream very fast. Okay. I'm back on mobile. I'm back on mobile for streaming, but currently that is because operator is changing internet speed, and I will have 500 megabits from tomorrow. That's from today already. That's fine problem. Nice. Привет, скажи что-нибудь на русском. That is it. I'm asked to talk on Russian. Я могу говорить по-русски довольно свободно, не проблема. Нет проблем с этим, но я подозреваю, что у меня смешной акцент. So, yeah, hello again, mobile operators. So, that's what I like to figure out. I believe that a little bit more testing on streaming, and I will fix that streaming environment for me. Yeah, question was good for new coder on Swift. You definitely would like to check this one. Hacking with Swift.com. This is a nice website. There are plenty of information available for free, and there is some I'm not very familiar with navigation here. Hacking with Swift. Start learning. Here it is. Start learning. And that's it. You open this one. You see, I'm recommending already to start with SwiftUI, but yeah. And there is 100 days of SwiftUI. That is quite nice exercise. Basically, you are starting from the basics and moving throughout the projects. Check that out. Yeah, fast internet is important. That's very true. Very true. Let me move things around a bit. Somehow this didn't fit well screen, but that is better than nothing. Yeah, and point of those on today's stream was to get some work done, to figure out this configuration and settings, and yeah, to have a chance to chat with you a bit. Starlink, I guess the Starlink sounds like something fast. Happy for you, for sure. Vectron, hi. Better late than never, right? Have you ever make harmonious app? I have no idea what is that. Unfortunately, I don't know. Okay, question from Liz. I was how to start working for a company from different country. Had you any blockers when you started working with different languages, or you know much more and you don't afraid about? What do you mean by languages? Programming languages? But you started working with different languages. I'm not using so much languages. I'm using SwiftUI mostly, and when I started freelancing I was on very entry level, but you know, there are plenty of projects on Xcode which are not require a lot of skills, so I don't know. I just know that all the other developers are the same human beings like I and you are, and if they can figure out how that works, we can do that as well. I don't know, just learning by doing, and that's it. How you start working for a company from different country, yeah. I started on Upwork and then moved to direct contracts, and currently I am not freelancing so much anymore. I have one project, one customer, and I am working half-day working hours for the project. Udemy C# course, nice, that's great. Oh, interesting. Harmony is OS for Huawei's Android system. I didn't know that Huawei has their own Android system. Something very specific, to name it differently. Isn't that Android? That is their own operating OS, basically OS. Because Samsung has something. They had something, but they're using that in their watches currently, maybe, I don't know. Basically, most operating systems are dying except Android and iOS. At what age I started programming? At old age I started programming. It's kind of tricky question because this is my first computer, I still have it around. That is the Spectrum. It has built-in basic programming language, and I used it in my teenage age. So if that counts, then I started programming, I don't know, 30 years ago. But professionally I started programming at about late 30s, let's say so. Hmm. Okay, question about languages from Lee. Sorry, I will not read your username. The question was about English. Yeah, how not about programming language. So if I see that you can read normal, understandable English. So you can read. You most likely understand what I'm talking right now. So you are not in bad place with English for sure, because if you are going to work on, if you will start to work on online job platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, whatever, most of the communication will be written word anyways. I had meetings with one customer on Upwork, but weekly calls and so on. But yeah, back then my English was even more horrible like today, and I can say that I had very well English when I started freelancing in 2016. Yeah. And I don't know, if you do not feel comfortable about your English skills, just level them up. How to do that? Consume content in English. There are, for example, watch my YouTube videos, read books, watch TV on English, and so on. Basically, immerse you in English, then you will start to understand it better. And look for opportunities to speak in English. For example, I am doing those live streams and I'm talking way more in English than without those live streams. So that's also a kind of chance for me to speak in English more. So yeah. But if you can write and read English, you are fine to start, and you can catch on that on the go. Okay, it's already quite late. Okay, a few more questions. What is the app that shows your CPU, GPU? How it was named? Let me check. It was something. I totally forget the name of this application. It should be somewhere in. I don't know. East at menus, something like that. Estat was the name. I do not see information about that in the app on itself. Vigo Krūmiņš, labvakar, sveiks Vigo, you are late on the party. We are about to finish. Okay, my internet is slow and video lagging as well. Yes, that should be so, because my operator are changing connection speed, and currently I am on mobile phone and connected from that. Okay guys, thank you for coming, thank you for chats and so on. I'm doing streams like this when I'm working and running stream regularly on Twitch, but I don't know, seems that it is interesting to do that on YouTube as well. Maybe I will continue to do that. Let me know what you think about that. Okay, thank you guys, it is midnight already here, and have a nice day, have a nice Friday, who are already in Friday like I am, and enjoy your Thursday in US. Yeah, it's late for you, Vigo, as well. You are in Germany, right? Or not? Am I right? You are in about the same time zone, so that should be midnight for you as well. Okay, yeah. Okay, one more question I see on Twitch. Different questions that I have when you're working with your apps, maybe as a freelancer or other. When you haven't go hit designer. You make alone it or what? Yes, yes. On smaller projects on the Upwork, I did design as well. I was more handy. Currently, I didn't use Sketch or Figma for a while. I was more handy with those applications, and I designed some relatively basic. Actually, I can share my screen and show some Upwork. For my own applications anyways, I am designing those screens, as good or bad they are. I am doing the design on my own. Okay, internet is horribly slow because we are on mobile. Probably there is huge lag in the stream, sorry for that. I promise on next stream we will have 500 megabits up and down. Okay, that is advertised speed, but minimum speed is quite solid as well. And this one, mobile payment applications. Oh, it's so slow. Come on, let's open. So this one, for example, decent application. I believe it looks okay, and I did all the development, design. Basically, it started as design project. I designed that application, then I developed it, and I used Firebase as a backend, and so on and so on. So yeah. I'm doing design as well, but just for one beginning for small projects. Currently I'm working with bigger projects, with bigger teams. There is designers, backend developers, Android developers, just name it. all of them.